Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of All Things Cut and Craft. I am Abiola, and I want to welcome everyone. If you are new to this channel or you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always engaging with my content. I am really grateful, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this pot holder. Yes, so I'm going to be showing you how I make it in few steps. You can make here. So if this is what you like, you want to see, keep watching, don't go anywhere. I'll be back shortly.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año de felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty, who's nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're away. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake.
Mamacita, ¿dónde está Santa Claus? ¿Dónde está Santa Claus? And because I don't believe, Mamacita, where is Santa Claus? I look for him because it's Christmas Eve. I know that I should be sleeping, but maybe he's not far away. So I close the window and peep in, hoping to see him in his sleigh. I hope he won't forget to bring his castanets and to his reindeer say, oh Pancho, oh Vixen, oh Pedro, oh Blitzen, ole, ole, ole. Mamacita, ¿dónde está Santa Claus? ¿Dónde está Santa Claus? And because I don't believe.
Is that not cute? Yes, so beautiful. This can make a gift. If you are going to be trying this out, let me know in the comment section, and then make friends with me on Instagram. Tag me, put it on your story. I'll be glad to see your project. So if you are new and you're yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. Join this family. Let's grow together. And if you are a returning subscriber, once again I want to appreciate you. Give this video a like if you really do enjoy it, and leave your comment. It's also important. Check links in the description box where you can watch more video. If you want to embark on Cricut journey, there are links also in the description where you can get everything you need at no additional cost to you, delivered to your doorstep. Feel free to use those links and know that we get a token when you use them as a way of supporting. Thank you so much. So this is your crafty friend telling you to create your own happiness because it's in your hands. And lastly, I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Stay safe and be happy. Bye.